What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. Cryptomania is a virtual trading simulator, not a real financial app where you can make real profits and withdraw funds. The currency inside the app is a play money like Monopoly money used only for simulated trading, and in app's features, you cannot transfer these virtual earnings into your bank account, crypto wallet, or PayPal. So no, you cannot cash out real money on Cryptomania. It is a practice crypto trading app in a simulated environment. You can earn virtual rewards, complete tasks, and level up your account. These earnings are not real money and cannot be withdrawn to real financial accounts. Think of it like a learning game. It isn't designed to pay you in real USD, crypto, or other financial assets. So be careful. You may find YouTube videos claiming you can cash out, secret tricks posted on social media, or people saying you can send your Cryptomania funds to your bank. All of these are false claims. There is no official way to withdraw real money from the simulator, and some accounts may even try to lure you into using risky third-party services. Don't trust them. These could scam that take your personal info or fees with no payout. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.